Guys, welcome to my video. So we're gonna look at rings. I'm gonna get an attack. So I'll show you them. And those ones. I'll take them a bit further. And the flash ones. And water ones. Flash ones. And elemental ones. Earth. Wind. That's the one. That's the one you want. That one is water. That one's fire. There's some chocolate. Peace.